Chapter 5 History, Rulers and Buildings, worksheet number 6. Everyone please write down your name, class, section, roll number and date. Now, first MCQ, tick correct the correct option. First, Raja Rajeshwara temple was built in the year. Raja Rajeshwara temple was built in the year. Raise your hand. Option are 1999, 1644 to 1656, early 11th century, and 1589 to 1601. Yes, Ananya Jain.
Ma'am, I think 1589 to 1601.
The answer is early 11th century. Everyone please mark on it. Next, colored hard stones placed in depressions curved into marble or sandstone creating beautiful ornate pattern. Yes. Abhigyan. It is Pitera Dura. Bhabosk, Arquette, Chaharbagh.
Ma'am, Chaharbagh.
No. Yes, Vansh.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it's Pitera Dura.
Yes, it is Pitera Dura. During his reign, huge construction activity was carried on in Agra and Delhi. His audience halls were specially constructed to resemble mosques. Humayun, Akbar, or Shah Jahan. So the question is, who built the audience hall in Delhi and Agra? Yes. Yes, Kavya.
Ma'am, I think Shah Jahan.
Yes, right is Shah Jahan. It refers to the part of a building above the ground floor. Answer: Pistab, superstructure, or Shikhara. They refer the part of the building above the ground floor. Yes, Bhumi.
It's a superstructure.
Yes, superstructure. An architectural form in which weight of the superstructure above the doors and windows are sometimes carried by arcs. It is Shahabag, Arquette, Pitera Dura, or M. Yes, Vedika.
Ma'am, it's Arquette.
Arquette style. Yes, arcade style of architecture. Yes. Now come to the next. Whether it is the true or false, okay? Magda. Shikhars of Kendriya Mahadeva temple were twice as high as that of Shikhar of Raja Rajeshwara temple. Which temple Shikhar was highest Shikhara of Mahadeva temple or Rajarajeshwaram temple? It is wrong that the Shikhara of Rajarajeshwar temple is too high. Okay. Next, the technologies used in monument are unique, as between 7th to 10th century architects started adding more rooms, doors and windows to buildings. Yes or no? Yes, Kavya?
Mom, what?
Second, true, false?
Mom, I don't know.
It is true. King built temples, but they were often looted with attacking one another kingdom. They were looted by another kingdom. Kings. That time, the temple were targeted. Yes, Vansh.
Ma'am, true.
True. Yes, next one. Aurangzeb was interested in planning and laying out formal gardens placed within rectangular wall enclosure and divided into 4 quarters by artificial channels. These were called Chahar Bagh. Aurangzeb was interested. It is true or false? Raise your hand. Yes, Bhumi?
Mom, I think it's false.
Yes, it is false. Next. Fill the blanks using appropriate words. Between the 8th and 13th century, the dash was used in construction of temple, mosque, tomb in building attached to Baulis. Which architect style used in construction building between 8th to 13th century? Tribate style of architecture. Write down everyone, tribate. The temple was a dash of the world ruled by the king and his allies. The temple was a, yes, Vansh?
Ma'am, I think, ma'am, the temple was a miniature of the
Miniature
world.
model, yes, miniature model of the world ruled by kings and allies. Next, Sultan Iltutmish won universal respect for constructing large reservoir dash outside Delhi Kuana, also called dash. So largest reservoir just outside Delhi Kuana, also called, the name of that reservoir, King Reservoir, Hausier Sultani. Hausier Sultani. And here is just. Miniature. And here is rebate. Rebate. Fine, everyone? I hope everyone done. An inscription in Kuwait al-Islam Mosque explained that God chose Alauddin as a king because he had the quality of dash and dash, the great lawgiver of the past. Yes, Kavya?
Mom, I think Moses and Solomon.
Yes. Moses and Solomon. Okay. Now come to the next. Match the item in columns A with those in column B. So, large stepped wells. Large stepped well. Yes, Vedika.
Ma'am, is it Pistak?
No, Baolis. Okay. The topmost pointed portion of a temple. Ananya.
Mom, it is Shikhara.
Yes. A great gateway. Yes, Mukul. Great gateway. Pistak. And 8 paradise. Hasbesh. 2431. Why did Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan chronicle declare? The Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan's chronicle declared that the ruler was the architect of the workshop of empire and religion. The ruler was the architect of the workshop of empire and religion. Yes. Start.
Yes, ma'am. Pietra Dura was colored
hard stones placed in depressions carved into marble or sandstone, creating beautiful ornate patterns. It was placed behind the emperor's throne because it depicted legendary Greek god Orpheus playing the lute. It was believed that Orpheus' music could calm ferocious beasts until they coexisted together peaceably.
Yes.